In this video, you'll learn how to build a mobile app using Base44. By following these steps, you will create a functional app based on your ideas and preferences. Start by opening Google Chrome on your device. This web browser is essential for accessing the Base44 platform. Once Google Chrome is open, proceed to the next step. Navigate to the Base44 website by entering the appropriate URL in the address bar. After hitting enter, the Base44 homepage will load, displaying various options and features of the platform. On the homepage, you will see a message prompting you to describe your app idea. Look for a text box that says, describe your app idea below or get inspired by our templates. This is where you can begin outlining your app concept. Next, type in any ideas you want to explore for your app. The interface allows you to brainstorm and refine your thoughts. Keep in mind that developing a clear idea will guide you through the creation process. After typing your ideas, look for a button labeled Ideas to get started. Clicking on this will present you with various suggestions based on your input. The suggestions will help you visualize potential app designs and features. Once the ideas are displayed, click on any suggested idea that interests you. This action will provide more details and options related to the selected app concept. Take your time to review these suggestions carefully. Next, choose the idea that suits your needs best. Click on it to further explore its capabilities and features. This selection is crucial as it will shape the direction of your app development. After making your choice, click on the Enter button to proceed. This action confirms your selection and moves you to the next stage of the app creation process. Now, you will click on the Preview option to see how your app will look. This feature allows you to visualize your app before finalizing any decisions. Pay attention to the layout and functionality displayed in this preview. Finally, select Mobile View to see how your app will appear on mobile devices. This is an important step to ensure that your app is user-friendly and visually appealing on smaller screens. Take note of any adjustments you might want to make based on this view. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.